Recently, AI videos in the Zootopia style are blowing up on YouTube. Some channels are getting crazy views, and yes, they are earning really well. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bro, this looks too hard. Heavy software, editing skills, long hours, but trust me, I'm not kidding. I'm being completely honest. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create this exact type of video with just one prompt and just one click. No editing, no complicated setup, nothing technical. And yeah, I know it sounds too good to be true, but just wait till you see this. Just look at this generated video.
What a perfect morning! Let's make today an adventure!
Look at the fields! The flowers are dancing!
Yes! Picnic! Beach! Adventure!
The flowers are dancing! Faster! Faster! Mom! Dad! The sea is so big! Splash with me! Careful, little one, don't get too wet! Best adventure ever! Can we do it every day?
I made this with one single click, and honestly, I'm blown away. The character looks clean, the animation feels smooth, everything just works perfectly. Oh wow, seriously, this is insane. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make stunning, high-quality 2K videos that look professional. And yes, all with just one click. And hey, I have a very special prize just for you. In this video, I'm giving away pro accounts for this amazing tool, so make sure you watch till the very end because you won't want to miss this. All right, first things first, you'll find the tool link in the description and the pinned comment. Go ahead and sign up your account right now. Once you're logged in, you'll get 500 welcome credits, and guess what? That's more than enough to create your first 30-second long video. All right, so the tool I'm talking about is called VideoInu AI. And let me tell you, this tool is absolutely incredible. You can literally create any type of video in any style, long videos, story videos, cinematic videos, you name it. VideoInu AI can do it. And here's the best part. This tool comes with all the top AI models like Sora 2, Gemini 3, and Nano Banana Pro. Every famous model all in one place. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create a full video with just one click. All you need to do is open the feature called Animated Video, click on Create, and here you'll see the interface looking like this. All right, now it's time to set up your story. Here you can write the details about your video, the type of story, the voice style, and exactly what you want to create. Be as creative as you like. Or if you already have your own full story, you can choose the basic script option, which is right here. For this demo, I am selecting Smart Script option. Next, for the style option, just click on this and choose your favorite, like 3D cartoon or any of the other styles you see here. Right now, I am creating video in Zootopia style. So for this, you have to choose this one. Then select the duration of your video. You can go up to 30 minutes, but for this tutorial, I'm keeping 90 seconds. Of course, it's completely up to you how long you want your video to be. Next, choose the aspect ratio, landscape or portrait. I'm going with landscape. Then, select the language. You'll see all the famous options like English, Hindi, Italian, Chinese, and more. Once everything is set, just click Create, and here we go. Your storyboard is generating, your character is generating, everything is being created automatically by VideoInu AI. All right, now your characters are generated. If you don't like them, you can regenerate them or even add your own custom character. Just click Edit and you can create your own. But for this video, I really like these default characters, so I'm leaving it as is. Next, you'll see the script of your scenes, like which shots, which locations, and how your story will play out. You can edit them or even delete and add new scenes. For me, everything looks perfect, so I'm leaving it as default. Then you'll see Preview Storyboard, but instead of previewing, we're gonna generate video in one click. Here, you'll notice it costs a few credits because I selected 90 seconds. If you choose 30 seconds, it will use fewer credits. Credits always depend on the video duration. All right, I'm now clicking Generate Video, and just like that, your video starts generating. VideoInu AI handles everything automatically. Scenes, dialogues, music, characters, actions, literally everything. So now, just sit back, relax, and wait a few moments while your video is fully generated. All right, and here it is. Our video is fully ready. Just look at this result.
Look there, just past the birch. See the color in that clearing?
Oh, are those fire-wing butterflies? They're beautiful!
Adventure! Adventure! I want to see
You little mischief. Always in a hurry.
Look at me! Look at me!
You're doing great, little Splash Master.
Careful on that rock, buddy. It's slick.
I got it! Woohoo!
You're doing amazing, little one. But watch your steps.
Careful, buddy. Don't slip now, though you are quite a brave adventure.
Again! Again! Can I jump here too?
You already are, little Splash. Just watch your paws.
Oh, wow. Look at this. It's like a dream.
I've never seen anything like this. It's magical.
Mom! Dad! They like me! They really like me!
You little charmer. You always make everything more magical.
I can't believe how perfect today turned out.
And our little hero made it even better.
Can we do it again tomorrow?
Absolutely, little adventurer. Tomorrow is another day for magic.
Wow, honestly, this is insane. All of this, just one click, I'm not kidding. The characters, the scenes, the voiceover, the background, everything is perfectly synced and ready to use. Now, if anything looks a little messy or you don't like a scene or a shot, it's no problem at all. Just click Edit with Storyboard and here's your storyboard interface. You can tweak anything, regenerate scenes, or even upload your own images. You have full control. Once everything is perfect, just click Next, and your final video starts processing. Now it's time to download your masterpiece. When you click download, your video is in 2K resolution, generated with Sora 2 and powered by Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro. Everything looks professional, cinematic, and flawless, and it all happened in just one click. How crazy is that? All right, now it's time to talk about the giveaway. So we are giving away 3 pro accounts of VideoInu AI. Yes, 3 lucky winners. To participate, here's what you need to do. Sign up on VideoInu and leave a lovely comment telling us what you like about VideoInu and what you would love to see improved. The winners will be announced within 1 week in our Telegram group, and you'll find my Telegram group link in the description. So make sure you join my Telegram because that's where all the winners will be announced. And of course, if you want to try VideoInu for yourself, the link is also in the video description. Go ahead and see the magic happen. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more awesome tutorials just like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating amazing content. Thanks for watching.